What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're back out here with the Beast. I wish this Chapin sticker wasn't here. It said the Beast. Somebody owns a stickering company and could change that for me, let me know, because that would be awesome. Anyway guys, we've got to go out and spray the rest of our lawns with the N-Charge and RGS combination, as well as I want to talk about a problem I'm having in my own yard that I think we can correct with this guy and some products. So let's do B-roll sequence, filling this guy up. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And for those of you guys wondering, this is the Chapin 12-gallon battery-operated push-behind sprayer we've talked about before. Fully loaded down. That's right, guys. I got 12 gallons of product in there and water ready to go down. So you guys asked for a test, and I think this is the ultimate test. It has officially started raining. I made a mess of everything, so it's time to clean all this up and video. Continued a little bit later. See you then. What's going on, guys? It is the next day, and I really wanted to go ahead and talk about what the plan for today's video is, as it wasn't very clear what was going on today. So as you saw, we finished up our N-Charge pre-emergent lawns. I just figured I'd show you a little bit more content on that, which we went ahead and did. I'm actually going to run around the block, but I'm not going to film it because I think we have enough footage. I got one more to do. Then we're going to come back here, actually power wash the driveway, so I think that would be an interesting video. And then we're going to see where time leaves us after that. And if there is enough time, we're going to do a humic and aerate app on my lawn. The backyard just needs to wake up in spots, but looks good so far. So let's go ahead. I'll catch up with you guys when we come back. Actually, maybe I'll take my GoPro over there and we'll get some footage on the GoPro. See you there. Just cleaning everything up and moving down here to clean up. And in case you were wondering, this is what it sounds like without a microphone on your audio. Use a microphone, people. We are back and got all the fertilizing done, but what do you know? Pressure washing time. This is the Generac 2800 PSI, 12.5 gallons per minute max. Nice pressure washer my neighbors let me borrow. It's let's go ahead and pressure wash the driveway here. Well guys, I want to thank you for taking the opportunity, finishing the video out here. It is Sunday, I'm actually wrapping up the edit right behind me. I wanted to wish everyone a happy Easter if you're watching this and you celebrate the holiday. If not, oh well, just saying happy Easter to everyone, letting it be known that I celebrate Easter. But if you have any questions about the video, I know there was a little bit different video. We did some power washing, we finished up some work I've been showing in the last few videos. You know, basic video. We've got tons of stuff coming. I'm going to be picking up some new equipment. And we've got some more applications that need to be made to the yards and soil testing on the properties we do. So all those things are going to be videos. So if you have any questions about what we've done already and so far, please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Aiden Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.